The Hanna-Barbera hit, The Jetsons, certainly belongs in the Saturday Morning Cartoon Hall of Fame, but did you know it only lasted one season? That's right, The Jetsons' original run was 24 episodes, from 1962 to 63, before heading into reruns for the next few decades. It was then revived for 51 more episodes in 1985. The show about the future was a little ahead of its time itself. The Jetsons was the first show on ABC to be broadcast in color. At the time, most TVs were black and white. Color TVs didn't really become the norm for another 10 years. God, I'm old. Speaking of being ahead of its time, for being created in 1962, the Jetsons were amazingly prescient when it came to predicting futuristic gadgets. Things like video phones, robotic household cleaners, flat-screen TVs, and video watches. Speaking of those video watches, in the final episode of the first season titled Elroy's Mob, a student in young Elroy's class can be seen watching the billionth rerun of the Flintstones on his wrist TV. It's the 1960s Flintstone episode, The Swimming Pool. Pretty cool. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for hundreds of drawing lessons, including one on drawing Fred Flintstone and George Jetson.